free sample. This is a free sample.
Right here. Can I get a first name with that? Complimentary, not a base test. Okay.
Whoa. This is like 2 buns was $5.
Yeah, it's hot.
Favorites, right?
Oh, okay.
Is that in it?
Yeah.
That is cute. Oh my god, the mini ramen!
Maybe I should get
So far, just have a Kit Kat.
Should we get Fiona this?
Oh my god, she would love that. Wait, put it in my cart. That one is cute. Wait, there's also look at this one.
Oh, that one is cute.
She's like sleepy. Oh, let's see. Wow.
It's so cute.
Click it.
Can I try?
I don't know one of these ones. These ones are cute.
I'm looking at this one though.
You know.
Okay, so V and I, we both got hippers. Fruit
Alright, these are the
lollipop.
2 lowest calories we'll have the whole day. It's not candied. Very good.
One mango, one matcha, one daiquiri.
So crowded. Crazy.
Why don't you go over here?
Oh, Vina got daifuku, I got matcha, Aaron got mango. Fish balls?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Okay. Are you trying some, Vina?
What is this?
Yeah. Ooh, got our mochi. So we're gonna be eating Korean
Why? Because
food.
the girl I took on a date here over 10 years ago, she was 24 and I was 18. I don't know what game I was spitting back then. She's like almost 40 now. If you put it in like the time machine.
Oh my god. So V said this one's really good. So I might get the ube matcha. Wait, have you tried the coconut matcha?
I can get the coconut if you want to try it.
Okay. Did you save it?
I'm like the white dude in the group. 1 Coke, please. Is it Friday?
God, baby, you have to try it.
I told her, like, I want to try this one.
The sweet and soy, right? Or
Sweet
the sweet
and
and sour? Oh, no, sweet and spicy. Okay, we're gonna try the ube coconut croissant.
This one. Sweet.
Really good.
I can't eat a whole one. It's so sweet.
I rate that a 10 out of 10.
Yeah, okay.
What about you, babe?
8. It's too sweet for me.
Oh my god. So we got coffee, ube, matcha, and snickerdoodle. Looks so good. So right now I'm just cutting into 4 so it's easier for us to all try.
Yo, that's the only one you like?
Okay, so now we're gonna be
Was
trying
he
the
using his
mochi
brother's card,
donuts.
Yeah. Order of like with certain flavors because I want to save that one for last.
Okay, so should we try the coffee first?
I don't give a fuck.
I really want to try the
I
coffee.
don't give a fuck.
Okay.
Okay.
Not happy with that flavor. You think like a burn croissant to me.
I like this one.
That was a random thought.
Wait, what did you say?
He was like, I would smoke a cigarette, please. You know what? Same.
Don't knock it until you try it.
Okay, so for the coffee, you said 10?
Yeah, I like that.
It's actually not
I would
bad.
say it was a 6 because it really does taste like it's burnt. So I would say 6. Babe, you said 10. What do you say?
6.
Phoebe says 6.
I think 6.5.
Tough crowd.
Okay, now next is matcha.
Did you taste the matcha? I really like that.
I didn't like it as much. The coffee one tasted bad.
This one's a 6.5.
About a 7.
How about you?
6.
Honestly, it kind of tastes like a normal donut. I don't taste the matcha.
What would you rate it?
7.
Yeah, 7.
Oh.
Okay, so next one is snickerdoodle. I think it was an 8.
10.
9.
Okay, so I said 8.
10's here. I hate
Fifi
donuts.
said 8. What did you say?
9.
Babe, what did you say?
10.
10 for snickerdoodle.
What'd you say?
I said 8.
Oh.
Last one. Yeah, it does actually smell nice. Okay, ready, guys?
It smells like squishy.
Good. That's a 9. 9 for ube mochi.
10.
9.
9.
Damn, girl.
So that was the best one. Ube was number 1. Number 2 was snickerdoodle.
I think the last two are tied.
I think matcha, and then the coffee was last. How disappointing for the coffee
For
one.
me, it was about the same.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, so V's opening this. And I think she's gonna get the alpaca. Which one do you think she's gonna get?
Buffalo.
Fifi, which one do you think she's gonna get?
Chameleon.
Oh, okay.
I want the lop ear or the short hair cat.
Okay.
No, live in the moment.
What? You're too real for family.
Oh my god.
Oh, it's like taped.
Oh.
Oh, why is it like...
Ooh, close your eyes.
Don't feel it.
Okay, guys, no reaction, okay?
Okay, I swear to God, if I get an ugly one...
Close the eyes.
Wait, don't look yet. Don't look yet. Wait, Fifi, show.
Wait.
Okay, open up, girly.
Oh!
It's a parrot.
Wait, did you guess that, Fifi?
No, I guessed
Oh.
chameleon.
Oh. How do you feel?
I'm very upset because earlier today I got a parrot.
Oh.
Are you serious?
Yeah!
You
Oh.
got double?
Squish it.
Oh,
make it feel better.
girl.
At least it's pink and yellow. I guess I'm only gonna keep this, even though it's ugly. I'm only keeping it because I don't have it. The one I want is the cow.
So Fifi thinks it's gonna be the
No,
lamb.
options are here, so it's
I
Still
think
want the bunny.
it's going to be the cow.
Easter lamb.
Oh, 2 lamb, 1 cow. We'll see. Which one will she get?
Yeah, but the cow, I really want her.
Yeah, that's what I said.
These are really sticky.
Oh, what the?
Right? That's what I'm saying.
Ooh. Okay, here we go.
Okay, you guys gonna look at it first?
Yeah.
You guys need to see the box again?
No, you can sell that.
Yeah, girl, I don't think you're gonna like this one.
Yeah.
Okay, open it.
Like $80.
We guessed
Not
right.
even secret.
Okay, which one do you think?
I'm manifesting the rabbit or the lop ear bunny for you.
So I just opened and I didn't get the one I wanted. I got the duck. I wanted the rabbit, the lop ear rabbit, the koala, or the giraffe.
So cute.
Espresso martini.
That's hilarious. Now I've got.
Do you want me to stop? Huh? Okay, so V and I got the BTS Happy Meals. Ooh, which are we gonna get? Which one do you want? Because for me, I don't really care. Whichever I get, I'm gonna give it to you.
My favorite is
V?
BTS Jin or V, but honestly, I'm okay with any as long as we don't get dupes.
Yeah.
But those two are my favorite. It's literally a blind box.
Ooh, okay, well, good luck, girl. You got 3 boxes. So the first one, V got this one, and her eyes are still closed, and she got this one. Open up, girly. What the hell? What the hell?
Oh my god.
Guys, please.